How is up, life adventurers? It's me, Aka. Welcome to our channel, and you are watching Aka's Life Adventure. Let's cast iPhone screen on a big television. I know that my recent videos are long, they are time consuming, around 20-25 minutes, even 14 minutes and all, and most of you do not go to the end to watch the whole videos. But still then, I am trying to give you some kind of knowledge about the things that I know and the informations about the experiences of my life, and I feel that giving you half knowledge is of no use. So I try to make a detailed videos which gets long. So my request is kindly please watch the whole videos so that you can get the total information about what I'm trying to give. Today I'm showing you how to connect your iPhone to an Android TV or an Android stick via cast and use your iPhone to watch in a big screen in a television. नमस्ते, बड़ों को प्रणाम और मेरे सभी दोस्तों को आका का प्यार। जितना बड़ा मोबाइल उतना ज़्यादा एंजॉयमेंट। सो लेट्स कास्ट आवर मोबाइल फोन टू टीवी स्क्रीन फॉर लाइफ एडवेंचर। If you are an iPhone user, you might be knowing that connecting an iPhone to a television set is a very complicated task. It's not as easy as connecting an Android phone to a television by the cast efforts. There is an app and there is a process for which today I am here with Mr. Anup Rai to help me out to show you all how to connect an iPhone to a television set. So I'll introduce to you with Mr. Anup Rai. He will explain us how to connect an iPhone to a television set. So, can you tell me what is the name of the app?
It's called A Power Meter.
A Power Meter.
A Power Meter. So as you all might know, connecting or using iPhone in any devices might be quite difficult. So today I will teach you the process of connecting your Apple device, iPhone, might be iPhone, iMac, MacBook, anything, how to connect it wirelessly, or you might say how to use your AirPlay or screen mirroring on your TV. So one thing we will be using, since this TV is not a smart TV, it doesn't have inbuilt Chromecast or cast feature, we will be using Amazon Fire TV stick to use it. So you need to install one application. You might see here, A Power Mirror. You need to install it. So
This application, A Power Mirror.
let me show you from the beginning the whole process. Okay. Since I lost my Amazon TV Fire Stick remote control, I am using my phone to control this device. So you need to open this app, A Power Mirror, on your phone, and you need to connect the same Wi-Fi network on your Fire TV as well as on your phone. You need to have both devices connected on same network. Okay. And you need to open this app.
The app name is A Power Mirror, right?
Yes. Yes. It's since after connecting this application to the app on your TV, you need to go here, screen mirroring option, and you will see it, a PowerSoft. The internet is quite slow, and you can see it's connected now. You can use your Facebook on your TV. You can browse your YouTube videos, and you can also stream Amazon videos directly on your TV. So it's very simple. And not only this piece TV, you can also use it on your PC as well. And the condition is, as I told you, you need to have both devices connected on the same Wi-Fi network.
So you were telling me that it needs an dongle. So you have connected a dongle in this one also?
It's Amazon Fire TV stick. Let me show you. This is Amazon Fire TV, but if you have Android TV or any smart TV, you can download the app called A Power Mirror.
Okay. So this is the whole process, I think, for connecting your iPhone to a television set.
Yes.
Right. So this Amazon Fire Stick is an Android stick.
It's not Android stick, it's based on Amazon's own OS.
So it's like a Miracast device. So is it possible to connect with other Miracast devices also?
Yes, it's very possible.
But we have to use the same application, AA Mirror.
A Power Mirror.
AA Power Mirror.
A Power Mirror.
A Power Mirror. Okay. So as you all could see that the process of connecting an iPhone to a TV is like similar, same, but most of us don't know how to connect it with an television set. So we are most thankful to Mr. Anup Rai for sharing us this knowledge and giving me the opportunity to show you all how to connect an iPhone to a television set. So once again, I would like to thank Mr. Anup Rai for showing us this process, how we can connect an iPhone. So
Thank you for having me.
So see you guys few minutes afterwards. I hope that the information which I tried to provide you all in this video will be very helpful for you all to connect your iPhone, iPad or any other Apple device to a television set and use your iPhone and enjoy it in a big screen. I would also like to once again thank Mr. Anup Rai for giving us the idea and the knowledge of how we can connect the iPhone to a television set. So kindly please share my video to lots and lots of people so that they can utilize this information and view the iPhone in a bigger screen and have a nice time. So please share my videos so that I'll get और भी ज़्यादा आप लोगों का प्यार and ऊपर वाले का प्यार over and out.